The pure potential of the winter solstice is once again here. The 2024 winter solstice is arriving in the Northern Hemisphere on December the 21st at 1:19 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We're going to gather at the sanctuary on Sunday, 12/22, to honor the significance of the winter solstice's shift of light. We're going to create awareness and consciousness of how and what this shifting of light of the sun brings to us individually and collectively. With the birth of the sun, a new year begins. It's the beginning of a new cycle of birth, growth, death. In nature, it's a whole new year of life, experience, and transformation. It's a whole new chapter for all of us, which makes this a really hopeful and exciting time. Anything is possible in the year that lies ahead. Anything can grow in your life. It is a time of pure potential. What a miracle that on this shortest day, when it feels like we could just descend completely into darkness, the light returns with the birth of the sun. At the winter solstice, we recognize this tiny new light. We commemorate the hope that it brings, knowing that it will continue to grow and deliver us from the cold, dark days. Anything is possible in the coming months. What new life will this tiny light grow? What a gift we receive with this new beginning every year. This chance to go deep inside and emerge as a new version of ourselves. What growth and transformation will this year ahead bring? So let's gather and create an experiential, vibratory practice with Kundalini Technology and Sound Medicine with the gongs and crystal bowls so that we can fully embrace this powerful cyclical moment of the winter solstice. We're going to create a fire ritual during our practice. We're also going to do unique Kriya, breathwork, and meditation practices, followed by a beautiful, deep relaxation for integration. So we have tremendous creative inspiration from all of this. Journals are welcome. All levels, identities welcome. Light refreshments and yogi tea served afterwards. Please join us. Winter solstice, a time of pure potential, on Sunday, December the 22nd, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Satnam.